hurt you.
Hello everybody, these are pages 34 and 35 in the Let's Go 4 workbook, and we're going to do some phonics on this side and some reading on this side. So let's start. The sounds we're working with are NK and CK. NK says nk, CK says k, and in our student books it just looked like this.
CK, k, duck, sock, black. NK, unk, skunk, think, stink.
Okay, so we have to match the pictures to the sound, and then match the sound to the word, and then finish the word. So let's start up here. This is a duck, and at the end it has k, so down to k. And then k can match to duh, and we'll go duck. And down here we can write duck. And the next one is a sock. Sock has k too. So down to k, find there it is, saw, and add k, sock. And we'll write sock down here, S-O-C-K. Next, this is think. Think has an nk on the end. So let's find th, there we go, the. Thing, think. And think is already over here. We can just trace it. The next one is a skunk. And skunk has nk on the end. And here's ska. So draw a line and then just write nk. Skunk. And this picture is black. Draw a line to k. And then draw a line up here to blah. And add k, black. And the last one down here, oh, we didn't write these two. I forgot to write skunk and black. And this one, oh, this one was supposed to be stink. This one's skunk. That's okay. So draw this one down here to stink. And we'll do a stink. Both have NK, so no worries. Sting. Stink. All right, the phonics part is all done. This is the reading part, part C, and we're gonna read a short text that's called Free Socks Day. Let's read. Hi, I'm Becky, and I live in Australia. I usually wear white socks to school. It's easy to get ready for school. So Becky has like a uniform, and that means she has to wear the same clothes every day. And there are rules about what she wears. So every day she has to wear white socks and her black shoes, but Friday is Free Socks Day at school. I can wear any socks. On Thursday night, I think about the socks I'm going to wear. So on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Becky has to wear just white socks for her uniform. On Friday, she's allowed to pick any socks that she wants. So she's very excited. Sometimes I wear my striped socks, and sometimes I wear my striped toe socks. I like these better than my white socks. So here are striped, and these are striped toe socks, where every toe has its own hole like a glove. Sometimes I wear my polka dot socks. They're the best of all. Friday is my favorite day. Okay, let's do some questions. Okay, the first question says, which socks does Becky usually wear to school? So we're gonna go for, try to find usually and socks in school. Hi, I'm Becky and I live in Australia. I usually wear, oh, there's usually white socks to school. So there we go. She, Becky, usually wears white socks. The writing spaces are very small, so I just write over it and put my own period. Number 2, which socks does Becky like better than white socks? So we're gonna go and try to find the keyword better in here. Party free socks. Yeah, I can wear socks. Wear them. Sometimes I wear my striped socks. Sometimes I wear my socks. I like these better than. There's better. Okay, it says I like these better than my white socks, and these means striped toe socks. So we can answer with she likes her striped toe socks. Not very much space under here. I'll write better. She likes her striped toe socks better. Okay, last one. Which socks are the best of all? So we're going to be looking for best of all. This is our clue word here. Okay, I don't think it's in there. Nope. This doesn't talk about liking things, okay? This talks about liking things, but it's only talking about liking things better. So it must be in here. Best of all, best of all, best of all. Ah, there it is. Best of all. They're the best of all. Well, what are they? We'll go back and look. They polka dot socks. Okay, so my becomes her. Her polka dot socks. Polka dot socks are the best of all. And we're all done. Great job, everybody.